Whoa! Gotta hydrate, folks, because this one's a good one. Well, I don't actually know if the box is good yet, because I have to open it first. That's why you're here. Hi, I'm SB Mitch. You can follow me on the Twitter and Instagram apps at the handle on your screen right now, and below that is my website. It's called Ransom Note Sneakers. That is where you can find these shoes that we're pulling out of this box today at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to purchase them, I guess. Yeah. Hi, pals. Hope everyone had a great holiday if you celebrated. If you didn't, hope you had a great whatever the heck it was to you. This box is from Sole Supremacy, the good box place. That's actually their motto. You can bill me later. This box was $1,525 plus $40 to ship it here to Chicago, Illinois for a grand total of $1,565. These boxes are usually awesome. Anything above like 900 lately has been really, really good. So go ahead, follow along with the counter. Its name is Clarence. It's gonna be letting you know how much each shoe is worth on the secondary market, and then we're gonna break it down at the end of the video to show you how much the box is worth versus how much I paid, because we wanna see what the potential profit on a box like this is gonna be, especially when you're throwing almost 1,600 bucks into a box. So let's open this box and see what's going on in here. Wow, there's a lot of loose shoes in here. Oh wow, that's kind of a bummer. Well, first off, we have a KYRIE, these are the ROKITs, the KYRIE 5 ROKITs. This is a size 10.5. These are worn. Looks like someone used them for wearing a couple times, or maybe basketball. Very little wear, size 10.5. Just need a quick cleanup. Any KYRIE model is really good for basketball. So do I look like I know what performance basketball shoes are? Nope. There you go, size 10.5, KYRIE 5 ROKITs. Wow, there's 5 loose shoes in here. That's crazy. This is an Air Max 270, size 13. It's just like some olive green colorway with a white midsole. A little bit of outsole wear, not too bad. It's a size 13. It's a workout shoe, so there's a little bit of insole wear. Not too bad. Just needs a quick cleanup and they'll be good to go too. Size 13, not the greatest size either. Air Max 270. Green colorway. This is not looking good so far. Next up, we have a size 15 Jordan 12 International Flight. I always get these confused with the Chinese New Year, but I've made that mistake enough to where I know what they are now. So these are worn, a little bit of outsole wear, size 15. Very hard size to sell because not everyone is a Amazonian, so I'm not gonna spend too much time on these. Jordan 12, size 15, International Flight. There's still more loose shoes in here. Uh-oh. Another size 15. That's another Jordan 12. This is the Gym Red colorway. It's an all red Jordan 12. That's basically all there is to it. They are worn, but very lightly, just like the other size 15, so probably came from the same person. No box. It's got a mostly suede upper, and it appears to be in okay shape. No like major scuffs or anything, so there you go. Size 15 Gym Red 12s. Next shoe out. Next up, we have a size 10. It's a Jordan 4 with no box. This is a lifestyle Jordan 4. This is the Legend Blue colorway. These are very lightly worn. No star loss whatsoever, so that's pretty cool. Just a little bit of outsole wear that needs to be cleaned up. Looks like the midsole paint is in good shape. Just a little bit of creasing on the toe box and a little bit of insole wear, but not too much. So this does have the box, but it does not have the lid or the hang tag because someone probably put it on the rearview mirror of their 1993 Saturn. So there you go, size 10, Jordan 4, Legend Blues. Oh, good, cool. We got a V1. The ADIDAS YEEZY Boost 350 V1 is the epitome of what tanking looks like. These have gone significantly down in value consistently for the past like year or so. This is a pair of Pirate Blacks in a size 10. I don't know which year this is. I don't know if it's 2015 or 2016, but you can find out on your screen, but there you go. A little bit of wear on the outsole, pretty good amount of drag on the forefoot for some reason. Who's walking like this? A little bit of discoloration on the boost. Let's check the insoles. The insoles, all the writing is worn off, which means they were worn pretty good. So I can't imagine these are worth more than like 400 bucks now, but you never know. I mean, Yeezys, you can list something for market value on Yeezys, especially V1s, and you will not get market value because that's just not what happens. So size 10, Pirate Black V1. I mean, it's good value. It's just not a shoe I'm excited about. That's just all there is to it. we have a Kobe 8 in a size 12. Oh, okay. Well, these are worn, but not very worn at all. These are the MAMBACURIAL, it's the Mercurial Mamba thing, Kobe 8s. These are actually in really great shape. Just a little bit of outsole wear. They need to be cleaned. Cool colorway. I mean, you can tell by the upper, it's a mishmash of a Mercurial and a Kobe. So that's how it gets the name. Just need a quick cleanup. So this isn't too bad. I don't know what the value is on these, but this is a cool shoe. So Kobe 8, MAMBACURIAL in a size 12 is your next shoe out. Got a Jordan 3 in a size 8. Got a pair of fire reds. Cool. 2013s? Yes. This is the 2013 Air Jordan 3 in the fire red colorway. Ah, very, very clean. How's the midsole paint? Midsole paint looks okay on the left shoe, and on the right shoe, we are good. Very cool. So, super lightly worn. You can see the Jumpman is still in the insole in there. A little bit of discoloration on the I forget what that part of his shoe is called. It's early, I'm still very tired. But this is very great size. These are in super clean condition. Comes with a hang tag too, which is very awesome. Nice, this is actually pretty good. I don't know what the value is on these, but it's a cool shoe to get. So Jordan 3 Fire Red 2013s in very, very great shape. There you go. Ooh, all right, cool. It looks like the last two shoes are pretty good. All right, so we got a Jordan 4 and an off-white left. So let's do the Jordan 4 first. We got a size 10.5 Jordan 4 Retro. Good one to get. Not a fan of who it's from. Oh, first of all, it's from the GOAT app, so you know it's legit. Very cool. Worn pair, pretty decent shape. Cactus Dork 4s. The upper is pretty okay. It's a little bit faded, but what pair of Cactus Jack 4s isn't faded at this point? It's got the hang tag too, very cool. So these are in very great shape. Midsole paint is good. Outsole is in great shape. Hardly any star loss, which is very cool. A little bit of creasing on the toe box, so can't really complain about that. I rag on Travis Scott a lot. He makes hyped shoes, and a lot of people like them, so I'm still gonna rag on Travis Scott. So there you go. Size 10.5. Travis Scott 4s, good shape, very cool. Those have some value, so I have a feeling the last like 4 shoes are all the value of the box. Speaking of, we have a size 10 off-white Nike Air VAPORMAX FK. So this is either the white or the black ones. This is the black ones. Very awesome. These are in great shape too. Comes with the secondary laces and it comes with the zip tie. So there you go. Size 10 pair of black VAPORMAX, the second part, whatever they call them. You can see hang tag is there. It's very often when I get these pairs, people keep their hang tags. I don't know what they're going to use it for, unless they use it to hold up their man bun or something. I don't really know. Insole wear, very good. You can still see the 10 logo in there. Yeah, these are in super good shape. Not much drag. Doesn't look like they were worn to the point where there's going to be creasing on the AirPods. So very cool. All right. Last 2 shoes kind of made this box worth it, I think. It's a good size and a good shoe. Size 10, VAPORMAX off-white collaboration. Nice, cool. This box started off rough and it ended very strong in my opinion. So let's take a look at the breakdown right now. Breakdown! If I were to guess, I think there's probably about $400 to $600, maybe $450 to $600 of potential profit in this box. But I think it's gonna be really hard to move those large sizes, so I'll probably have to price them under market. That's just how it goes. I mean, sometimes you're not gonna make as much money as you can on these boxes unless you wanna sit on pairs for tons of months. So if you're interested in these shoes, hit me up on my website, ransomnotesneakers.com. They will be available today at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time, but I am currently in Ohio visiting family for the holidays, so I will not be able to ship till next week. So I'm sure there's some kind of message on there about it. So appreciate you taking the time to watch. If you dislike this video, please hit the dislike button. I'm not gonna say what else to do because what's the point? Have a great rest of your weekend. I will see you probably Sunday with some kind of top something or other video. So until next time, take care of each other and remember, they're just shoes. They're supposed to be fun, so make it fun. Bye!